Look at this question. The chairman spoke to you and blank. Is it the chairman spoke to you and myself? The chairman spoke to you and I? Or the chairman spoke to you and me? Comment on dit ça en anglais? Comment on peut dire ça en anglais? Quelle est l'option ici? What is the right option here? Is it the chairman spoke to you and myself? Myself is a reflexive pronoun. And we use a reflexive pronoun when the subject and the object is the same person or the same thing. Okay? So I did my homework by myself. Okay? So I am the subject. I'm also the object in this particular sentence. Okay? That's reflexive pronoun. So will I say the chairman spoke to you and I? Okay, I is a subject pronoun. So the chairman here is the what? The chairman here is already the subject. Is the subject of this particular sentence. Spoke is the verb. After the verb, we have the object. We have the object after the verb. So the chairman spoke to you. This you here is an object. Okay? And it should be me. Because me is what? An object pronoun. So me. So we have two objects. So the chairman spoke to you and me. Because you and me should come after the verb. The chairman spoke to you and me. So you and me is equals to us. You and me is equals to what? Us. So I can also say the chairman spoke to us. The chairman spoke to us. Us is what? Is an object pronoun. Us is an object pronoun. So the chairman spoke to us. And this us here means you and me. Okay? The chairman spoke to us. If you find it interesting, like and follow my